So this thing has a little bit of water.
Got it?
So I'm going to...
You're going to be in back? Or
Yeah, I'll be in the back.
Okay.
We only have one
paddle.
You can sit down there.
Sit down. Okay.
And let me take you around.
What's that?
Let me take you around. Good.
Huh, it's good.
It's going.
Okay. Do you need me to turn this on yet?
on.
Or it is on?
Yeah,
Okay.
right now. You're on.
And you can see okay?
I'm sorry?
You can see?
Yeah.
You're good? Okay.
Hey, ¿cómo está?
This is great.
I came here a little bit earlier and then I went up there and something jumped into the water. I don't know. Maybe it was just
Right along the edge?
Or was a knot or a fruit. I don't know.
Yeah. How far did you come out before?
I was in the middle and then I was hungry, so I'm like, okay. And I wanted to have the camera too.
Yeah.
So I'm like, well, this is too good. I can't miss this. Would it be nice to bring one of these boats, like decorated the way they are? I mean, it's so artistic.
It's beautiful.
Once I commissioned one artisan to create one for me, and I cut it by half, took it to the city, and make them two beautiful bookshelves.
Okay. Really?
Really nice.
That's a good idea.
Really nice. I sold them. It was not difficult to sell them.
Uh-huh.
And then I realized people, what they're doing is they're taking the old boats and do the same thing.
Yeah.
So they look aged, they look like they've been in the water. And,
Right.
so nice. I could take it to LA if you want to.
How long do you think that will take?
That's the way it used to be. Think about
Can you
early
imagine?
explorers. Just think about early explorers.
Yeah.
I mean,
They didn't have any motors.
yeah. Yes, you know where the word Amazon comes from, right?
No, I don't.
So the first explorer, this Spanish guy, Orellana, he explored all the way downstream from, I don't know, I think Peru or something like that. He was attacked by a group of women.
Really?
They were almost naked, only women, and they used arrows to attack.
Okay.
And they killed many of his men. And so there's a myth in Europe about the Amazon tribe. So he referred to them as the Amazonians.
Okay.
And that's how this
Gotcha.
the region got the name. Now, Amazonians mean in Greek language, A is without. And Amazonian is breast. So
Uh-huh.
he described it that without having one breast, so they could aim really well with the arcs.
Oh, wow.
So
Interesting.
Anyhow, now that I'm telling you this story, hopefully we're not going to encounter them. Because nobody else encountered them anymore. I mean,
Ever?
ever.
That was the last.
That was
no.
the first and last one. That was the myth. I mean, he was the first one. I mean, no, he was not the first one. He was like the second guy who explored the Amazon.
Mm-hmm.
But he was the first one who recorded about it.
Mm-hmm.
Like miles and miles of anybody.
No.
And across a little bit.
Curious about the daytime navigation because, I mean, to our eye, a lot of this looks the same.
Yeah.
The hike. So interesting. I haven't seen any movement on the water yet. Have you? I haven't noticed any. I don't really notice anything even in the trees. It's that time of day though.
I have good perspective here now.
Yeah.
What happened. Yeah, it's the time of day, you're right.
It's really, this is
Early in
really
the morning, do you do this?
Yeah, that's true. Did you hear that Bridget and Tom went for a little walk last night?
No.
They went to the first tower that we went to,
Uh-huh.
which wasn't very far.
No.
But then they almost got a little lost on the way back.
Uh-huh. Really?
And they came back and said, yeah, we probably shouldn't have done that.
Not without someone.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
I don't think they take the bomberos just for show.
Well, there are like 5 of those guys. I mean, I'm sure they will be happy to.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's what I was thinking.
Not that they know the area really well, but at least they can find themselves. Because, they are from Portugal. I don't know how familiar they are with the real trails. And I don't know how far these trails are going anyway.
Hmm. Yeah. And if you take a wrong turn, where you're going to end up.
Yeah. But they were really well marked. I mean, but at night it's a different game. So.
Yeah, that's the thing. And if you're not familiar with what to look for, you see that? There's a tree kind of coming out. It looks like a giant gray mass on it.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if that's termites or... Let's explore. It's like Vasco da Gama here. I think there are canoe races on the sports day, right?
This one, yeah. I don't know whose canoe is this one, but it's the closest one that was there. I didn't even ask for it. I'm just waiting for it.
It's easier to ask for forgiveness.
Yeah, well, I don't think they're gonna mind about it.
I hope not. I don't want Socorro to yell at us. That seems...
No, she's the type of person that, yeah, she would not. So nice and calm. Yeah, wow.
Yeah,
Termites next, perhaps?
maybe. Yeah.
Big one. Wow. That's cool.
Yeah, that is really cool. That's big. Hard to tell the material.
People will come and try to calm down.
Uh-oh.
And the kids, but Kim and Miguel.
Exactly!
Kim and Miguel.
But Kim and Miguel,